Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to buy new listing coins on Kucoin. Let's begin. First, open the Kucoin app on your mobile device. Scroll down and tap on the News section. This area shows all newly listed coins available for trading. You can view their market performance and decide which one interests you. Let's take Giza as an example. A chart will display its recent market activity. By analyzing this, you can determine if it's a good time to buy. However, always do your own research before investing in any coin. To purchase Giza, tap on the coin and then tap Buy. You will be directed to the trading page where it is paired with USDT. Here, you can place a limit order or a market order. For a market order, Kucoin selects the best current price. Enter the amount of USDT you want to use, then tap Buy Giza to complete your purchase. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.